Hello, I'm Benny from Rawsuns Technology. Today we're going to introduce to you our new system. And this is the hybrid system for the special vehicle. And the first part, I will going to introduce all the components. First of all, let us start the system. Okay, you can now see in the screen. 拍一下仪表，手轻点，对，然后拍下去。This is the dashboard, and this is the gear panel, and this is our testing box. We have all the signals inside, and this is the VCU. And also come here. Here you can see this low voltage PDU. And here is the radiator fan. And this is the air pump. And here you can see this is the wrist extender. This is a 75 kilowatt diesel DC generator. We call range extender. And from here we can see this is the oil pump, and here is the integrated controller. And we also have one independent DC 6 kilowatt. And here is the TMS, the terminal management system. And here we can see the air conditioner compressor. And down here we can see this is the oil pump, and this is the radiator liquid pump. And and this one is the drivetrain. This is the two RAD20000. And we can see in the name plan, this is 400 kilowatt drive motor, and the gearbox, four gear transmission, automatic transmission. And we have a motor controller. This motor controller is for this. 你看到我的那光线的位置。This motor controller is for this drive system. And we have another two motor controller. It is for this very big direct drive motor. Actually, here we have two different projects. And this project we use in 9-meter boat. This motor rated power 500 kilowatt and peak power 860 kilowatt. Is very big motor, drive motor. Okay, and we can see here, this is our test battery for the system. Okay, come here. And this is all our components. And just forget to introduce, and we have the foot, the accelerator, and the foot brake, and the hand brake on the table. And also we have a low voltage power source. Here it is 24 volt platform, so the voltage now is 27.5. And here we have the lead battery, 24 volt lead battery here. And also, let me start the recording for the CAN message. Okay, and now all the CAN messages here show in the screen. So in the screen, all the components now is sending the CAN messages in the network. Okay, and this is all the components we have. Later I will do the components testing in the second part. Thank you.